Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Gladys TV Living Clutter Free. Today we are decorating my upstairs for Christmas. Guys, I am in love. Listen, if you're new here, my name is Gladys. I show you how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything that you're interested in, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. The decoration upstairs, I want it to be a little bit more traditional with a little hint of modern, obviously minimal to the core. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you guys that your house doesn't have to be gigantic to decorate for the holidays. You don't have to have a lot of things to decorate for the holidays. Guys, are you ready? Let's do it. Let's go. Such a wonderful day to decorate. We have some snow here and I love it. I love it so much. Let's continue decorating. I'm super duper excited to decorate this place for the holiday. This is our family room. This is where we go and enjoy. We have movie night. We love coming up here. Downstairs is more formal for us. Upstairs is where we kick off our shoes and come and enjoy this place. I wanted to utilize everything that I already had previously. So these are my Charlie Brown-ish Christmas trees that I used last year downstairs, and I love the way it twinkle upstairs here next to the light. As you're driving outside, you can actually see the light twinkling, and it's just so beautiful. Hubby came to join me to decorate over here and I love these presents, but after a while I had to kick him out. But I'm gonna go ahead and kind of straighten the trees to remove any type of the way they will all look wrinkly. I wanted to go ahead and fix that out, but everything turned out so beautifully here. I tried my best to try to live the minimal lifestyle. So reusing everything that I already have from the previous year is my motto here on this channel. This garland was gifted to me from King of Christmas last year when I partnered with them, and I love it. It actually lights up, which is pretty cool. When you have light at night, it makes this place feel very warm and cozy. Now, to make it feel a little bit more bigger, I went in and I added this Michael's garland from a few years back as well to have a pop of red. It looks super pretty. I'm gonna add some bells and whistles, and it's just, I really wanted the modern and traditional to come and collide together. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Let's continue. To make this place feel more magical, I gathered these pine corn that I added onto the garlands, which are making it feel like it's coming out of it actually. And it has been decorated for a few weeks and it's still standing strong without moving, which is pretty cool. And these are my stockings from last year. If you have been here since last year, thank you for being here. But are the same stockings that I'm going to go ahead and utilize. As I mentioned previously, I have not purchased anything new. I love the red and the green with the white mixed together. It just reminds me of actually real Christmas. And I'm going to go on the other side and add some gold accent Christmas trees. Not do it too much, but I really wanted the gold because gold really pops when everything is all turned off. It shines, sparkles, which is really pretty. Something I realized in the minimalism community, many of us are afraid to utilize home decor. Guys, use your existing home decor when it comes for the holiday. These are the exact same thing I already have here. Previously, all I did was add some stems into my vase, and that's it. To bring a pop of color, I brought this candle, and that's all. You don't need to do too much, guys. When it comes to the holidays, bring 1 or 2 pieces, but use your already set home decor and it will still look beautiful. You do not have to be afraid to do that. I added the suction cup there. Let me go ahead and add the wreath up there now. This is the wreath that I wanted to add. I love this wreath. It's super pretty. And this is actually day number 2 of decorating upstairs. And I wanted to go ahead and add a ribbon, perhaps a red ribbon on top, in the wreath, and see how that looks like. And it actually turned out really pretty. I love the red color against the green. It turned out so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Stay tuned for the whole house tour. I cannot wait to show you guys every detail, tell you guys where things are from. It's going to be from bottom to top, so definitely stay tuned, guys. I truly appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Until the next one. Bye bye.